Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday everybody. It's Friday Up Friday. Before I get started, I wanted to go over a couple things. If you didn't read my community tab post, the truck starter went out. So I'm not that upset about it because, you know, nothing lasts forever. Plus it's a 94 pickup, so, you know, stuff goes out eventually. So I'm probably gonna get one, see, it's May. It's still April, like the last week of April, but I'll probably get one probably here in a few, 2-3 weeks. I'll probably put it in myself, you know, I'll cuss it out and cuss it back in. If there's interest, I might do some footage, shoot a little bit of footage, putting it in, putting it out. I don't know, we'll see. Probably not gonna do much because, you know, I'm not running a car channel. So I'm probably gonna go turn the key on it and let you guys hear it. For those of you interested, you know, you gotta, just like maintaining your gear, you know, you gotta maintain your vehicle to get you to the woods. So that, and also last few days ago it was Muskrat Jim's birthday, so happy birthday, brother. I'll link his channel down in the description, so if you missed it, you can go give him a sub or watch a couple of the vids. Good dude. And on a personal note, I feel a little bit bad because it was Bill Melton's 1-year anniversary of his passing, and I didn't mention it in my last Fired Up Friday because I was rushing, and I just, you know, no excuse, I just didn't mention it. So I feel a little bit bad, so I'm gonna dedicate my burn today to Bill, even though it's a little late, but better late than never. So I'll go to the truck, turn the key, and let you hear it, which it probably won't be much, just a quick clip, but then I'll get to the burn after that. Alright, so here we are. Now I'm getting gas and I'm getting spark. It's just the starter, so let me go turn the key and then you guys can hear it. Alrighty, so you can hear it. It's I basically drove 60 miles north to a gas station. I stopped and got lunch, and well, I grabbed a bite to eat. And when I got back to the truck, I turned the key and then nothing. So I'll have to get this fixed. Alrighty, let's do this big channel shout out. Getting really low on names. Gonna have to make sure that they're all, come on, there we go. You have to painstakingly go through each name and see if I need to add anybody. I'm pretty sure I need to add a couple people. Oh cool, I got a fellow Washington guy, Amputee Outdoors. He also lives here in my state. He's a gentleman who's actually missing one of his legs, but he still gets out and hikes, so major props to him. And I like his channel, he's got really good content, so I will link it in the description. Let's get to the burn. Alrighty, so I processed my Tinder bundle off camera. Got my Dominic Menichetti I guess char bag, tinder bag, wax canvas bag that he made. Should be using some of the char cloth I made. I may link the video down below if you missed that video. Excuse me. Breathing in tinder dust. What do we got in here? Oh, got another tin for charring. Where is my... There we are. Had to be at the bottom. So I got my Orion scraper, or striker. And piece of, and he gave me this too. I'm not sure about the flint. If I'm mistaken, my apologies, but let's see here. Nice. Make sure you guys can see. Come on. Wow. The tender bundle is being stubborn. I still got a little bit more char. Let's see if I can. There we go. Go. A little stubborn, but we finally got her. Nice. Sweet. Man, this thing just throws sparks really well. Love it. Thank you, brother. I should say thank you again. Put away so I don't lose it. I don't have Dominic Manischitti's cool poker to poke at it. What do I got over here? It's alright though. No problem. Still burning nicely. I was gonna say I think it was done, but then it flared back up again. I love tulip poplar, man. Good stuff. First, let's not forget Mr. Bill Melton. And see how it just fired up again? Excuse me. These done embers. The log it's sitting on is not perfectly flat, so okay, I had to wait for the first responder videos or first responder vehicles, sirens to quiet down enough for me to cap out this video. Okay, hope everyone's all right. Anyway, thanks for watching as always. Have a great weekend, and as always, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, recruits, to our veterans, doing an amazing job out there for us. And let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 a day, no more. I thank you again for watching. Okay, and don't forget to watch this weekend. I got a new hammock video coming up, so, and an overnighter.